Is it time to buy or sell Carvana stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Carvana. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 1st of October, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 12th of September 2025, our system has categorized Carvana as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 8.03. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 9.3%. This corresponds to an average return of 0.66% per day since its designation as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth is likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 10.86% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 0.217% to 17.22% in the longer term. Our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 85.71%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 25.85% and 89.01% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $497.63 and $747.37. Our latest daily update for Carvana includes the headline, Carvana stock upgraded to strong buy candidate. The Carvana stock price increased by 4.82% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 1st of October 2025, rising from $377.24 to $395.41. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.40%, with a low of $378.45 and a high of $398.89. While the price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 4.59% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, volume increased on the last day alongside the price, a positive technical indicator, with 247,000 more shares traded than the prior day. In total, 3 million shares changed hands for approximately $1.18 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $413.34, while the lowest was $148.25. Currently, the stock price is 4.34%, or $17.93, below the 52-week high of $413.34, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Carvana, stock symbol CVNA, has recently received a significant boost as Jefferies upgraded the stock to a buy rating and raised its price target to $475. The firm described Carvana as best positioned to take advantage of the growing trend of consumers opting for online car purchasing. The stock has already surged over 125% year over year and has been overcoming short-term technical challenges, including a rise above the 20-day moving average, despite a slight dip to around $377 late last week. On the operational front, Carvana is enhancing its capabilities with same-day delivery now available in the San Francisco market, which is expected to improve conversion rates and customer retention. However, this potential upside is countered by increasing competition. Hertz has introduced a fully online car sales platform, indicating forthcoming pressure on margins and competition for market share. In the short term, the upgrade and positive momentum may drive the stock prices higher as traders seek to capitalize on the momentum and analysts adjust their targets. However, it is important to anticipate some volatility due to profit-taking and news about competitors. Looking ahead, the long-term growth of Carvana hinges on its execution in delivery, unit economics, and inventory cycles. If the company can scale efficiently, it has the potential to see a higher valuation. Conversely, tighter used car markets, rising interest rates, or stronger competitors could limit any potential gains. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 1st of October 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned CVNA a buy grade along with an upgrade action. On Thursday, the 31st of July 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned CVNA an overweight grade accompanied by a hold action. On the same Thursday, the 31st of July 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned CVNA an outperform grade along with a hold action. On Friday, the 25th of July, 2025, it was recorded that Oppenheimer assigned CVNA an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 9th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned CVNA a sell grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Carvana stock a general sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio and price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Carvana. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. Carvana's stock indicates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable forecast. Additionally, there is a general buy signal arising from the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average stands above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is expected from the levels at $379 and $8,400 and $367 and $3,300. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, August 20th, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 16 and 0.77%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has been noted from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume is rising alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical signal. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots generated a buy signal 30 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average showed a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a sell signal 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 28 days ago. When we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average presented a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy 112 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 104 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Carvana. Carvana finds support from accumulated volume at $391.89. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the associated risk is regarded as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $20.44 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 5.4%. During the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 5.57%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Carvana, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 29th of October, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates of $1.29. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Carvana. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as an indicator for when to exit. On the downside, Carvana encounters its first support level at $391.89. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Carvana from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Ernest C. Garcia III, who bought and sold 297 shares or options in the company. An analysis of the 100 most recent insider trades indicates that insider power is negative, with a ratio of -99.736. In total, insiders purchased no shares and sold 36,850 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $380.94, reflecting a decrease of 3.66%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 29 days ago. Is Carvana stock a good buy? Carvana exhibits several positive indicators and is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. We believe it is a favorable option at this time and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has been revised from a buy to a strong buy candidate since the previous evaluation. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 2nd of October, we expect Carvana to open lower by $4.49, beginning trading at $390.92. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor prior to buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.